Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to share with you a new recipe on how you can prepare roasted chips or roasted fries. I already have my raw potatoes right here. I've already chopped them. So the first step that we're going to do is we are first going to boil the potatoes. And first I'm going to turn on the gas. So right here I have some water. So right here I have some water that I'm going to use to boil my potatoes. And before boiling my potatoes, before adding the potatoes, I'm going to add some salt in the water to make sure that the potatoes are salted before I roast them. So let's add the potatoes. The potatoes are already washed. So I'm done adding the potatoes. So I'll go ahead and cover the sufuria with this lid and let them boil. I want them to be cooked, so I'll just boil them for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll remove them before we put them into the oven and roast them. So guys, now our potatoes are ready. So sikutaka zive sana because I'm still going to put them in the oven. So now I'm just going ahead and drain all the water and then put them on the tray. And as I prepare to drain all that water, I'm preheating my oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes and then we'll put the potatoes in the oven. So now I've drained all the water that was in here. So guys, now I've drained all the water that was in there. And now I'll go ahead and I'll put my chips inside the tray. Yeah, so first I'm going to oil my tray. So I've finished oiling my tray and spread it generously. I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. So that's how everything looks like. I'm going ahead and putting it in the oven. Yeah. So now I'm going to let the potatoes roast for, I'm going to leave them for around 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'll come back. Yeah. So guys, 20 minutes are over and my chips or my fries are ready. And how this is how they are looking. Yeah. Or if you want your fries very crispy, you can still return them in the oven and heat them for some minutes until they get crispy the way you like them. Yeah, so as for me, the fries are ready. I prefer them this way, not that much crispy. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, and that's how you prepare chips with oven. Yes guys, so this method is, as you can see, it's an easier one, and yeah, it's money saving because you're not going to use a lot of oil to fry your chips. Yeah, so if you really want to save money on cooking oil, this is one way that you can use. And again guys, cooking fries in this kind of way, it's healthy since hujapika na mafuta mingi. You just sprinkle some oil and let them cook in the oven. So guys, this is my final look of my fries. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, if you want a recipe that is money saving, you can use this recipe to save much more money. You don't have to use a lot of cooking oil, and also it's healthier because you don't have to deep fry your fries or your chips into a lot of oil. So if you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, kindly subscribe. And bye guys, let me enjoy my supper. Bye, see you in the next video.